Hi, this is Michael Blade here, science fiction blogger and futurist, talking about the transhuman singularity, my virtual world, and my science fiction writings, and doing virtual experiments to see what humanity might be like in 300 years when we start traveling to the stars. I'm out here in beautiful nature. Um, I don't know if I'm just throwing the term 300 years out there. It could be 30 years if everything's optimal, but that's probably unlikely. It could be 3,000. So I think the time frame is really insignificant as long as that the human race to some extent survives through its transformations of technology. The question is, can we simulate to an approximation so that when we take these either deep sleep, long space trips, or complete digital uploads and redundant transmissions to the stars, or some kind of DNA seed that travels at the speed of light to seed other planets with humanity, and then we build transmission stations for teleportation and such, or virtualized simulation. It just seems that the problem of space travel, to be quite honest about it, is that humans were designed and evolved from beings off the planet. We're genetic evolutionary components of the biosphere, and we're not designed for space travel. It's pretty obvious that our bones get frail and our muscles atrophy and so forth, and we have orientation issues and gravity issues with digestion and that sort of thing, and removal of waste and so forth. That we weren't really designed for the space environment. So we may have to extend ourselves to be capable in the space environment, so becoming hybrid space species, or we may have to go digital and do like a micro-seeding technology where we send micro starships out with our DNA and our digital encoded society and personas to other star systems where they can seed humanity in other places if other life hasn't taken on, or maybe we can learn to live with that life. But then we're talking about working with aliens and stuff. But that's kind of interesting too. And then time travel, whether or not we're capable of going back into the past, if not simulating it, whether we're capable of going into the future or being able to sample a quantum future of possible multiverse realities. Things like that can be explored in science fiction before the science technology comes about to enable these things, because of the tremendous energies and the complex physics that would be required to actually do this, or the advanced computer simulation technologies to be able to reverse time simulate and provide a complete holistic archaeological simulation of the past in which you could participate and see the probable outcomes of future and multiple universes. So a mind upload would be immortal as long as there was a power in a computer simulation system or a simulation substrate on which to run it. And you could infinitely copy yourselves and merge with others to create complex beings. See, we're limited inside of our skulls by the size of our skulls. So if we say have the surface area of a table napkin, then if we extend ourselves out into cyberspace, we'll have the surface area of a tablecloth or a bed sheet or larger. And we may find that we can build a quilt of group minds that is larger even still, merging and matching and exchanging in a sort of a sexual manner, cybersex, if you will, of mindsets and memories and ideas and algorithms and feelings and experiences. So this could extend humanity, and it'd be portable to or transmittable to the stars in a redundant sort of way. So you could serialize the information and transmit it to the stars, received in a receiver station where the simulation could run, and you could literally hop across star systems that way, and experience different environments and biospheres and things like that. So it's a very exciting future with transhumanism, and I think that our AI partners, as we develop artificial personas and algorithms that will enhance our survivability in the universe. And as far as the soul goes, can the soul be digitized? Can enough information permeate our technology that the person believes that they have a continuance after the body decays? And with life extension therapies, maybe the body can be preserved while a new one is grown, a replacement, and you could have your consciousness existing in multiple bodies. That'd be kind of weird, but then when the old one died off, you would have transferred your continuity of existence, your consciousness, across. And so these are pretty wild ideas, fairly radical, and thank God they're just science fiction, or somebody be coming after me. So this is some of the ideas I'm exploring. This is Michael Blade, and you might want to check out my stuff at viradu.com, webmac.com, and rocketvirtual.com.